A good business makes profit with good PR, and PR is an element of marketing. I went to university for 4 years to try and learn this stuff, and I still didn't actually understand all of this. It took me many years to learn this, and I'm going to show it to you all in a simple video. Now, let's get started. What we want to do is first and foremost to know this thing. We have the general public, just random people that don't know about us, and then we have our own public, people that do know about us. The way to convert the general public into our own public is to grab their attention with a good lead magnet or any form of public relations by doing expos. Personally, I prefer TikTok. It is an amazing tool to get out there and to get people to be interested in your business. Now, as you can see here, I'm attracting 2 of these people from the general public. They then enter into my funnel. So now I've got 2 people from the general group who are interested in my business. The next thing you want to know is that they enter into your business in a type of awareness level where they're not that interested in you yet. So you have to actually convince them and convert them from this point where they're not that interested to being slightly interested to being very interested. Now here's a major pitfall people don't understand. While you're passing people through all of this, you are right at the top, super happy and excited, but then you go a little bit down and you sort of become uninterested and sad. And then sometimes just before this guy says yes, he wants to buy from you, you are super sad and you actually give up before the last step is completed. If I do all of this correctly, I generate more money for my business, plus very, very, very importantly, an extra sale or 2, because a person that passed through all of this is happy and he then tells his friends, meaning these guys go all the way back up to the top. They get your attention, they enter into your funnel, and they themselves start going down all of this. This is the point of good marketing. This is the point of PR. So to summarize, I'm trying to convert the general public into my own public. I do that through collecting their names, telephone numbers, any other form of contact details like email. Once they enter into my sales funnel, after I've demonstrated good value to them up here with my lead magnet, then they will start finding out how my business works until they eventually give me money for my service. And if I do a really good job with my service, they will actually tell their friends, and I'll get more and more and more business from all of this. I hope this has been helpful to you. Comment down below what you thought.